I have to say, that was so malicious, Sitham. Oh, indeed it was, sir. Say, what do you even have planned for today? I don't know, obviously, duh. Sneeze at. You're in quite a bad mood, I have to say. Right, Sitham. Well, you see, when you have a cold, all you feel like doing is setting everyone around you ablaze because they're all healthy and happy, whereas you're the exact opposite. You know, it's not the most fun to think about or to experience for 43 days. I can tell you that. Anyways, we need to think of another plan because the first one failed. Why? Was it too simplistic? I'm not even sure why it could have failed at all. Right, well anyways, let's think of something. Oh, finally I should see Kimmy again. Kimmy! Kimmy? Oh, hello. Only her best friend can get her out of this coma she's in. She's in a coma? Kimmy! So, Kimmy, I kind of want to ask a few questions. Okay. I always forgot to tell you that I have a lost brother. Yeah, you have a twin brother? A lost brother? Yes. We named him Butterscotch until he was shipped to some castle to do work. I thought we'd never see him again, and we never did. Oh, I miss him. He probably remembers me and misses me too. Castle. Okay. Well, I have to go. See you. Bye-bye. Meh. She could have just been out of it from her coma. But now that I think about it, I am quite curious.